Hey guys, it's Kylie and Emma, and we're getting our snow pants and stuff on. We're not going outside in the backyard today. We're going to my parents were bringing us to a surprise place. We don't know where.
To go sledding.
Yeah, it's a surprise sledding place, I guess. He said we need to grab our sleds, so we obviously knew that we're going sledding. I don't know where to set this up so I can see us. I guess right there is good enough. That's gonna make it hot.
Oh, this is a heater.
It's really hot. Oh my gosh, that fell. Look where it goes. Into the water.
You have to hold it.
Yeah.
Otherwise I can't. Well, we'll see you guys when I'm doing it.
Well, this is why I put it right here. So we'll see you guys when we're getting ready. Hey guys, we decided that we're just putting our coat and our snow pants on. And Cove was in here with us because we're gonna have to take a ride there. So, oh, my dad already got the sleds. So we just grab your hat. Put your gloves in your hat. Don't you want your big gloves?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Okay. Because yesterday your hands got frozen.
I'll bring them. Wherever they are.
They're out there. They're on the couch, I thought. So we'll see you when we're in the car. So guys, we're gonna go out and
Where's the dog?
yeah, we're gonna go out in the back for a few minutes and hang out with him, and then we'll come back. Hey guys, we're on our way. Where are you? Oh, there you are. So what is the place called we're going to? Or do you not want to say?
It's a hard pine forest. I'm lying.
I'm lying.
It's a secret.
It's a secret. So yeah, here's our drive. We're gonna. How long does it take to get there? Like a minute?
No, 10 minutes.
That's too long.
That's not very long at all.
It's too long.
The other places are 20 minutes and a half hour.
Oh,
I thought you stopped.
so did I. That would have been bad. So we'll be back.
Here. So
We're here.
Get geared up. Get ready
I
to
know.
ride.
We're riding in the back of the truck.
What do you mean?
Okay, we'll tie the sled in the back, and we ride, and Dad will drive the truck,
Now pull it.
and we'll ride.
I don't want to do that.
Why? We'll ride together. You hold on. He won't. He doesn't go
I pull you
fast.
slow. I just pull you
Yeah.
around. You ride in the sled.
You go really slow though.
Yeah.
Yeah. He doesn't
It's
go
safe.
like.
You're not gonna get hurt. It's
Yeah.
fun.
He doesn't go like
I just pull you on the sled.
in the
like,
back.
Like if I could have brought the 3-wheeler over here and I'll pull you in that, but it's easier just to drive over here. So I
Yeah.
hooked the sleds up. Kylie
So-
and I did it all last year.
Yeah, it was super fun. We won't go super fast. Can we ride in the same sled?
I don't want to do that.
Why?
I don't know.
Just ride with me for one and see if you like it.
What if one of us falls out?
No, you hold on.
Well, that would be fun to fall out. It doesn't hurt.
Yeah, it doesn't hurt to fall off.
I brought you face mask.
How slow do you go?
I go slow. And if you,
It's
if you
okay.
Guys, if you guys
Just
want me
wait.
to go faster, then I'll go faster.
Yeah,
but
we
I'll
tell him
just
if we
go
want
slower.
it to go
We're
slower.
just gonna cruise.
If we do this, that means slower. That means
Yeah.
faster.
I put the tailgate down. I can see you the whole time. I
Yeah.
watch you right here. Look, I watch you in my mirror. So whatever
This
you guys
means
are doing.
I know this will mean go faster, and this means go slower.
Then
Okay?
here's face things.
Yeah, we
You
have
guys
face
want
masks,
things.
so we'll be back.
Leave the tailgate open
Hey.
when you go for a ride. You're going slow. You're leaving the tailgate open when you go for a ride.
No, because we want to go fast.
Not really fast.
So we just rode in the back of the truck on a sled. It was fun. Did you have fun, Emma?
Yeah. Oh wow. I didn't even know that.
She was scared at the beginning. And the turns, she would like grab onto me like this. Like, ugh. Like as tight as she could. It was funny.
My face is
We're just taking a little break And one round we're gonna show you guys us sledding.
Are you gonna film for that?
In the tailgate?
Yeah.
Sure. When we're in the tailgate? I mean in the back. Like back here. We're gonna ride too. So
Yeah, when you're in the sled, you don't have to drag your hands.
No, she
I
said
know,
she
it was
likes
just gotta
to.
fun.
Oh.
She likes to.
It was like making a snow machine. The snow was like
So, are we ready for going in the back?
yeah.
Okay, see you there.
This is gonna be super.
Yeah, we're riding in the back, guys.
Oh wow.
I'm in the sled in the back.
Show them me.
I did. See, I'm in the sled.
Oh wow, look at. Oh, that scared me. I thought he was wrong.
Woo! Ah!
I want to like throw snow at me. It's weird because I can't see the front of the truck, so I can only see what the back does. But I guess that's good. Cause,
Woo!
you know, I wish there was like handles.
Woo! I'm in the sled, so I'm moving all around. No. Well, it is because we're not in the snow. Woo! 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 Ah! I'm in the sled, so I literally just fell all the way back. Here, I want to go forward. I want to go all the way to the front.
Ready?
Go forward, me.
Oh, crack.
Yeah, this one's a little bit broken. Faster! Faster!
I'm good.
Go a bit faster, Daddy.
I just did the faster sign. I meant
Faster.
I meant I was good because I. What's he doing?
This means good. Good, faster, slower. Woo! Stop. Or stop.
Is he gonna go on it?
That wasn't a trail that we just went through. We just went through snow. This is fun. Woo! Faster! Faster! Woo! Keep going faster.
Guys, I almost pulled my nail on my pants.
So she got, woo!
This is so weird. I want to stand up, but I don't.
No, right? I'm so tempted to stand up. Woo! Woo! No, don't. Emma, do not. Woo! Woo! That was a jump that we just went through. I know, right? That would be awesome. We would do this every day if we lived here. Woo!
Get Arby shakes.
Ooh. Oh, after we go sledding, we're going to Arby's and getting shakes and food. Yeah, so yeah. We'll probably vlog for that too. So we're gonna stop the video and see you guys later. We're gonna videotape for that. Bye guys.
What? What?
Hey guys, we're just on our way to Arby's. See you there.
Hi, may I take your order, please?
Hi, can I get
We're at
5
Arby's.
of the buffalo chicken slider sandwiches? 1 large
See you
curly
later.
fry.
Hey guys, we're here eating our Arby's. Yeah, so bye guys.